Hello everyone, we get back to this part. We will work on coding also. Last time we work on it. We worked on making play games which two players will play. Each time one player is playing, one color is chosen, dark blue, and the other play with green, dark green with the O and the other one X. And this way both of them they can play, but the game is not showing which one is winning. So in this part we will work on which player is winning according to rules of Tic Tac Toy game. So what we will do, we'll make a function for checking winner. First of all, let's reset this one again. Let me show you here. Let's mark this one. If someone tried to choose, let's say, if someone tried to choose all those rows, here we go, just 1 minute. Let me bring the marker. Where is it? Someone choose this line, first row or second row or third row. This is the winner row. And if someone tried to choose another one, let's say someone tried to choose column 1, column 2, column 3, he will win also. Here's another probability, which is the diagonal one. If someone tried to choose this diagonal or this diagonal, he will be win. So in this situation, what we will do, we will start by checking the winner. How we will do that? When the player plays here, after they play, what we will do, we'll make call for check winners. This is the end of this function, so we start here. This is the comp activity, so it will be between here. We'll make function and make it check winner, and we will not give any variable for it. Then open brackets, and what we will send for this one, we'll make variable. First of all, we make it winner equal to 0. Okay, this variable will count which is the winner. Is it first winner or second winner? What we will do, we need to check if the winner. How we will check it? We have already here two array lists, each for one player, player 1, player 2. We will check them. How we will check them? We check what row he. First of all, we'll go with the rows. Okay, we'll go with the rows and we will check it. For example, we will check first this row, then second row, then third row. After that, we'll come and try to use something different. Let's start it. Okay, let me turn off the marker. What the player will take, we will make comment. If you make comment is better. Let's say this will be the row 1. But before that, here we will call the function. Let's say check winner. We will call it here. Each time, why we call it here? Because each time the game it will be end up, we will call the winner. Then we say first row, if player 1, if player 1 dot contains, which means if its array contains element number 1, which means it is the first one here, first button, and second button and third button. Okay, we'll give and player 1 dot contains second one, and we use and, as you know, because and should all be true, so it become true. player 1 will be dot contains if we say third element. The player 1 choose the first row as it's shown here. If it's choose this one, then we say player 1 is the winner. We open brackets, we change the value of winner to 1. Okay, same, we'll make another if for second player. We'll check player 2 dot contains also for first row, and player 2 dot contains second button, and player 2 for contains third button, which means the first row also for second player. The winner will be number 2. This is for first row. We can do this for all other rows, only we change the rows number. Now we come for row 2. In row 2, what we need to change? We need to change the values. So we will change it. We will say when this is first one, then second one, then third one. Then it will be like that, the second row. So it will be 4, 5, 6. Then we will come to change these values. And after one, this is 5, 6. Same here, not 66. It's 4, 5, 6. Same for player 1 and player 2. Same thing. For row 3, it will be, what will we have? We will have bottom 7, 8, and 9. Last row. So we'll have this row. It will be 7 and 8 and 9. What we will do, we'll come here. 7, 8, and 9. 9, 8, 7. This is for 4 columns, so it will be same thing. We come here. It will be same thing. Then which column is selected? Is this for this one, then for this one, then for this one. What we will do, we'll come here, make comment, call 1, spin column 1. If we come here, column 1, what will be? It will be like this one, which means 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. Make sure that you enter the right value for each of it, because this will affect the winner and the game also. Okay, we delete this row 1 because this is column 1. Also for other columns, what we'll use? We'll use second column. Second column will be like this. 2 and 5 and 8. 2, 5, and 8. 8, 5, and 2. For third column will be this 3 and 6 and 9. If we come here, 3 and 6 and 9. So that means 9, 9, 6, and 3. Here, sorry, I changed that one for, this will be column 3. Look, I make a wrong. But you need to be careful about this one, because this will be second column. I forget it. What we will do, we'll take this one, make it 2. It will be 2 and 5 and 8 and 5 and 8. You should double check it, because if you make it wrong, it will affect the games. Also, we can make for diagonal one. We say this one, we should leave this column, and diagonal 2 also. Now we will change the values. If we come here, let's come diagonal 2. Right? How it will be diagonal 1? Diagonal 1 will be something like this. It will be or this way or the other way. So it will be 159 or 359. 357. I will make it. We will change the value here. So 159, or it will be 159 for second player also, or 157 as we show it here. It will be like this way, 159 or 1 or 357. Look here, we forget to change this one. We should make this one 357, not 1. Okay, now all rules are applied, and we check the winner. Who will be the winner? After that, we should check which is the winner and show the message on screen. What we will do, we will say if the winner, which is that variable, we say if the winner is 1, then we say make it text or toast dot make it text. Okay, we need to add this. We should say player 1 win the game. Then column toast dot length long hair dot show to be dot show else. Otherwise, what we will do is say else if winner is equal to open brackets. We say same like this one, but we change this one to player 2. So if we come and run it, we apply changes. We will wait until it's been run again, until the model is building. Okay, now if someone like choose this one and second player choose this one, your friend or whatever, you choose this one, you choose this one, then you come to choose another one. Player 1 win the game. Now the game is end, but there's more selection. We didn't close it, you see. Say we'll player 2 the games. We should solve this problem also by resetting the game. Okay, now is it clear? But you cannot play another game. You should only close it and run it again. So what we need to do, we should run it again, but until this time here we check that. What we do, we say we check the winner. After playing the game, we check the winner. If the winner is reaching this if those array lists that's selected by players, if it's valid, then make the winner 1. If it's valid, make the winner 2. And same for, we check all rows, all columns, and the diagonals. Then at the end, we check if the winner is 1 or if the winner is 2. To make sure that you don't need to close up and open it again, like we do here now. Like we run it again until we play another game, or we run that another time. What you should do, you should make something, name it reset game. How will reset game or restart the game? Here we will start. Here we will start when one winner is, for example, player 1 is win. Then we reset the game. We say restart game. We make a function like that also for second winner also. How we will do this? This is the check winner. Under the check winner, we will add the restart game. I will restart it. To know how to restart it, we start by making function restart game. Open brackets, close it. What we will restart? What we need to reset it? Let's check what we play. The play games, it was, we have active player 1, we should back it to first one. Player 1, player 2, there is array list inside, there is variables, values inside it, we should reset them, clear them. Okay, after that, we should also clear these values, X and O, also the colors, dark blue and dark green that we choose for each player. Okay, then we disable the buttons, we should enable it again. What we will do, we come to reset game, restart game, we will make active player, we have it already, that's why we make it public. It will be 1, player 1 dot clear is a function to clear all variable inside it. Player 2 dot clear. Okay, as we do here, because we start by active player, then player 1, player 2. What we need to delete, to select all buttons one by one. We need to select one by one, make it clear like that, because after selection it will be like this. We need to clear all of them, so go one by one until we reach it. What we will do, we'll go here, I will go one after one. We say we return back the variable cell ID to equal 0. Okay, we make for loop so we can reach each cell ID in 1 to 9, because we have 9 buttons. We will make this function run one by one. We say variable button selected, view selected, the button that's been selected as a button. What we will do, we don't know the value, that's why we put question mark. Then we say when what? When this cell ID, because it will bring the ID of them that we assigned before. Then we open brackets, we will say that what's happening here, change username to okay, but I think it's like button, is not like. Okay, we'll go. Then else branch. Okay, when you need to add else branch, what we will do, we go button by button. When this cell ID is equal 1, meaning which is bottom 1, then we make it that's bottom 1, assign it as bottom 1, B1. Okay, same for others. Y2 is bottom 2, Y3 is bottom 3, also 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Say 9, 9, 8 is 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4 is a 4. Okay, I suggest that we change it to up. I already choose bottom before, but he's made that one. And else by default, if no one is choosing, then we say bottom 1. Okay. After that, what we need to do, we select one by one. What we will do, we'll delete these values, X and O's, as is shown here. Then we delete the background of it, background resource. And then we will enable the game. Again, we will enable the button, sorry. What we will do, after this one, okay, here we go after this for loop. We say for each button is selected, we will select it, okay, we will select it, is local variable, why it's showing like that. It will be inside the 4. Sorry, this one will be here. It's inside because it's local variable. We cannot find it like that. We say dot text. As we put text as X inside it or as Y, we make it clear. Here, if we check, it will give us some contacts. Should we check by now what we do? We can do like that. This is for now safety, that's why. Also view selected. Also you should use this one and make set resource color, background resources. We should return to white because before it was white. As you play the game, what else we need to do? We say we should also view selected is enabled. We deactivate it because we didn't want another player to choose bottom from other players. Those three, what we do? First, we change the text, which means this X or O you delete it one by one by using this for loop. Each time you select bottom, you will delete the value, then delete the color, make it white, then it will enable it. So next time it's being resetted, the player can play it, and so on. We try to make this one as bottom. Okay, now it's okay. Now all thing is being done. Now let's apply change and rerun the application. Okay, now if we say this one X, this one O, this one X, this one O, this one X, pair one with the game. Look, again the game start again and reset it. If we come here X, O, you say X, then you say O, then you say X, then you say O, then you say X, then you say O. Okay, the game is playing well. Your next homework will be making autoplay, like you play with device. When you select one, the device automatically select one of the others and choose one of these boxes and play with you. Then you select another one, the user will select another, and so on. Now this is for 2 players. You will use for 1 player playing with the device. You should make that one as a homework. Good luck. Bye bye.